welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here. So in today's video, we are gonna do a little drama, a little sparkle, a little glitter. Today's video is sponsored by NYX Cosmetics. I'm partnering with them because they're turning 21. So I was looking back at my old pictures because you guys know I've done a couple NYX campaigns. Well, some of y'all don't know. Well, now you do, okay? I've done a couple NYX campaigns and I was looking back at like how I used to do makeup. And I was like, dang, like every look was drama. You know, every look was dark black liner, glittery eyes. It was just full of drama. So I thought, why don't we throw it back in today's video? So today we are gonna be doing a little smoky eye, because we love a smoky eye, a bronze smoky eye, and we're adding glitter. Okay, we're gonna do some dark liner. We're just gonna have some fun. Let's just have some fun. All right, we are gonna start with, and yes, I took off my earrings because I don't like my earrings to get foundation on them and you just don't know what's gonna happen, okay? So I'm starting with my normal duo, Estee Lauder Double and Nars Longwear foundation. And we are just gonna apply this all over. Blender on in. And my sponge is damp, like a little bit, like I washed it earlier. And that really does help. Back in the day, I used to be like, you don't need to wet your sponge, but yeah, no, you do. Foundation definitely goes on a lot better. All right, next I'm gonna apply the Beauty Blender Concealer in 4.05. Ooh, let's move my mirror. I have this big old mirror here. I'm like, let me adjust this. So my neighbor's dog, oh my God, you guys, like, he's a puppy, okay? I feel like he's like a year old, but oh my God, like will not stop barking. Like will not stop barking, like all day, every day this dog barks, and it's becoming a problem. It is becoming a problem. Like that little guy found his little voice, okay? And he is demanding to be heard. I just don't even know what to do, you know? Because it's like we have a good relationship with our neighbors, but their dog won't stop barking. So yeah, that's the dilemma I'm facing. And I feel like it's because it's an outside dog, you know? And I think he's just like deprived of attention. Like give that poor thing some attention. I think that's why he barks. Like I can't even sleep in. Like there's no sleeping in for me. Like even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to because he starts barking early in the morning. I'm like, I should do a poll and you guys should tell me what to do. All right, now I'm gonna set my concealer with the Makeup Forever powder. I'm just gonna set this under my eyes. We are doing a little bit more drama. Well, it's not the drama that concerns me, it's the glitter. A lot of people have issues putting glitter on after foundation, so if you're one of those, just do your eyes first, you know? There's like no, I feel like, right or wrong way to do your makeup. I've seen like professionals do foundation first every single time, no matter the look, and they do an amazing job. And I've also seen people, you know, do the eyes first and foundation last. So you just gotta kind of figure out what works by you. I'm gonna bake a little bit under the eyes, so use your favorite setting powder and just put a little powder up under there. I haven't been baking like I normally do because I feel like my skin has just been so dry lately. Like California is dry, you guys. So I'm just gonna bake a little bit. Did I say I'm just gonna bake a little bit. Make that nose disappear real quick and then grab a brush and make it reappear. I just made that up. No, you know when you put powder over your whole nose, it like disappears. All right, next I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. It comes with a little brush. So I'm gonna brush my hair because my hair is wild, okay? And yes, we're switching it up and we're gonna use a pencil, which I mean, maybe I need to be doing more because I do have a lot of hair. You know what I mean? Like, I already got the hair, I just need to fill it in a little bit. So I'm just starting at the base of my brow, drawing a line, framing the brows, if you will. This is a really fine pencil, so it kind of looks like hair when you apply it. Like, you don't want your brow pencil to be super thick. Nope. Look at the meme. You know that meme? Nope. Ooh, crack myself up. So most of you guys know NYX Cosmetics. It's been around for 21 years. It's the birthday. Cruelty-free brand, and it was actually one of the first headquarters that I think I'd ever been to. This is years ago, you guys. So when I first started, I guess, being an influencer, they invited me to the headquarters and I got to go in their little makeup closet and kind of just stock up on makeup. It was pretty cool. And back then that was like the thing to do. You know, go to the headquarters, grab a bunch of makeup. Ooh, things have changed, haven't they? All right, now I'm gonna use the P. Louise eyeshadow base. This is number 5. And I'm gonna use this as the base and kind of to clean up under the brow. You could also use concealer here. Ooh, there goes the dog. There goes the neighbor. You know what I want to do? Like, sometimes I just want to throw a freaking bone over there. Or like a toy or something. Like, do you have any toys, sis? All right, let's get into this eye look. I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutral. And we are just going to carve out the crease. And do a little bronze look, okay? I'm just gonna press the shadow into the crease first, kind of to place it, okay? And then just kind of blend it out. Come on, crease. I love like these colors. Yes. Look at affordable, boom. I try and tell people, I'm like, makeup does not need to be expensive, okay? Some of these brands be tripping. All right, we're gonna go a little bit darker in the crease. So I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. And I'm grabbing a brush that's a little bit smaller just so that the color shows up a little darker. Oh yeah. So a lot of times I'll use like a smaller brush to apply the product and then blend it out with a bigger brush. So I'm just gonna go back to that bigger brush I was using earlier, just like a large blending brush. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe off my bake because I've been baking for a long time. I mean, just a little bit, but longer than I really want to. So remember I told you guys my skin's been kind of dry, so I'm trying not to bake as long. All right, next I'm gonna grab my flat brush and I'm gonna put a dark color here and here. Remember I used to do that all the time, kind of like that halo eye where it's dark here, dark on the inside, light here. So we're gonna do that with this same palette. Gotta grab my mirror, make sure I can see up in here. Oh yeah, and just kind of press it on. I think I might actually bring this into the crease a little bit. So outside and inside of the lid. And then like I was saying, I'm just gonna grab my fluffy brush and that same color I just put on the outside, I'm just gonna bring in the crease just so it looks blended and it's not like, oh, okay, there's a color here that just stops. All right, so we're still on that same Ultimate palette, y'all. I'm gonna grab this little bronzy color with my flat brush. I'm just gonna press this on the center of the lid. Just a little pop, a little highlight pop. And I love how you can see like all the different shades in the crease, the lid. I just love warm tones. Like, I love like neutral browns, warm browns, cool, like mixing them together looks so pretty. All right, I'm gonna grab the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil Liner in Black 601, Black Bean. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the outer corner right here. So it's like a creamy pencil. I used to use this one in white all the time. I don't know if you guys remember that. And put it in my waterline. Y'all remember that? I'm just gonna grab my little brush here and smudge the outer corner. This is just adding like a little bit more depth to the corner there. I'm also gonna line the waterline with the jumbo pencil. So kind of the waterline and under the lash line. All right, so that same brown that I put on the outer corner and the inner corner, I'm just gonna smudge this under the lash line. I always like to put a little bit of powder over cream just to kind of set it and kind of blend it. This is actually really good for smoky eye, like putting the jumbo pencil all over the lid, smudging it, and put like black shadow over it. Boom, smoky eye. Ready for the club? All right, so let the sparkle begin. This is NYX Glitter in 08. Look at the glitter. Ooh. So just use your glue, your glitter glue, and I'm just gonna dip it on the brush, like so the brush has glue on it, and then dip it into, ooh, the glitter. Tap off the excess. A lot of times I'll use the lid. See, there's glitter in there, and I'll just tap off the excess and work off the lid. Let's see here. Woohoo! So the glue is eye candy. That's what it's called. Oh, yes. I love glitter. Especially just like, see how I have it just in the center there, just to give it a sparkle, especially at night, it looks so pretty. All right, I'm gonna bring my mirror a little closer so I can get up in there. I'm gonna line my eyes with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner in Black. Okay, wait, wrong mirror. Okay, we don't need that mirror. Oh, okay, wait, never mind. Let me get my little handheld. So this goes on so easy. I'm just gonna line the top line with this. Whenever you have glitter on your eyes, using a liquid I think tends to work the best because it'll go over the glitter. You don't have to worry about it looking chunky or anything. Do we wing it or do we not? That's always the question. I'm gonna do a little wing. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eye look. Oh wait, we still got mascara. But before mascara, we got the lashes and then we done. These are Lyla Lash from Lilly Lash. They're a little bit more full than the typical Miami lash I use. Oh yeah. You wanna just kind of continue to press it down until the glue's dry and press it on in. All right, I'm gonna wait a second for my lashes to dry before I put mascara on. So I'm just gonna bronze in the meantime. Just put a little bit of bronzer on my forehead, cheeks. I use bronzer as a contour just to get a little action up in here. So over the years, I feel like my makeup's definitely evolved, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, you used to do a lot more dramatic looks, and I think I've just kind of perfected what looks good for my eye shape. So like for me, it's like if I go too dark into the crease, like I used to put black in the crease, because my crease is somewhat deep set, it makes it look like even deeper, you know? And it's like, I don't need to be doing all that. That's why nowadays you notice like I'll make it darker towards the lash line. And I just feel like it looks the best that way. Definitely try it both ways. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more powder on my face just to kind of set the makeup. This is my Makeup Forever powder, just because I do get kind of shiny. Ooh, she's coming together. Ooh, are my lashes dry? Let me see. I just like to push them, like literally, I'm just like pushing them in. Okay, they're almost there. So let me put some blush on. This is Makeup Forever. What color are these? I feel like it's B316. I have a couple in this little palette here that I mixed together. B218 and 216, 316. So really, I just kind of go like this. Boom. And I like to put my blush up a little bit higher nowadays. So instead of like down here, because I feel like that kind of droops your cheeks, put it up high, it kind of lifts them. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't put mascara on. Almost forgot to set my makeup. All right, I'm gonna set my makeup with the NYX Cosmetics Matte Finish Setting Spray. And we are just gonna, just dive right in. All right, let me curl my lashes real quick. I wasn't going to, but I was like, let me curl these bad boys. Yeah, just lift some. Yeah, that's what we needed. That was it. All right, this is the NYX Cosmetics On The Rise Mascara, and I'm gonna put this on my top and bottom lashes. And I like to just like wiggle the mascara into my bottom lashes until I get like the thickness that I like. So I do kind of like a lot on my bottom lashes. Okay, I feel like we collectively need to agree that glitter's coming back, okay? Look at that. Like, where have you been? Oh, in my closet? Oh. Why do I crack myself up? Okay, I'm gonna line my lips, and we're gonna do like a really light nude. Not a light colored nude, but just lightly apply the nude. And a little gloss and call it a day. So line your lips with just a nude lip liner. I'm gonna put a touch of UOMA lipstick. This is a nude lipstick. And then I'm gonna finish off the look with the NYX Cosmetics Butter Lip Gloss. This is shade Praline. Let's see, should we do Praline or lighter? We'll start here. If it's too dark, which I don't think so, we'll go a little bit lighter. Ooh. I'm kind of liking this like darker nude lip. What do you guys think? Praline kind of came through for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for celebrating the NYX Cosmetics 21st birthday with me. Hopefully you were introduced to some of my favorites, or reintroduced, I should say. I just really love this look. The glitter needs to be a moment again. You know what I mean? Like I really do miss the glitter, the little halo eye. This is real cute. Let me know your thoughts on this look in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, strut and slay. Neon sign is here. Oh yeah. Hey guys. Smells like detergent. What do you guys think of the